Jai Sri Guru. Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all fine by staying in the home. Okay, in the last class we discussed about it algebraic identities along with their identities with proofs. And based on that identities also, some of the examples also completed. Yes, now we are going to the exercise problems. Yes, that is first one is what we are having that which is how much is smaller is 2x cube minus 2x plus 5 than, it means the smaller than 7 plus 5x square plus 3x. Okay, means is for this one how much is the smaller we have to be finding. As to find that is S, so that is 7 plus 5x square plus 3x minus 2x cube minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so now we have to be remove the brackets. While removing the brackets is before that what is our having sign we have to be multiply the brackets. Yes or no, student? So that is equals to 7 plus 5x square plus 3x, then minus into plus. Nothing is against the plus only we have to be concerned now. That is minus into plus is minus 2x cube. Then minus into minus is plus 2x. Okay, then minus into plus is minus 5. Okay, then afterwards is we have to do that is grouping the like terms. Grouping the like terms. So while doing the grouping the like terms is first highest power is what we are having there we have to be checking that is. That is 2, 3. Okay, 3 is the highest one now. So then we have to be write that term minus 2x cube. Okay, then after 3 after 2. Okay, that is plus 5x square. Then after the power 1. Power 1 what we are having that is 3x 2x. Okay, so both also same sign. Then 3x plus 2x. Next after the constants. What are the constants? Plus 7 minus 5 means is 7 minus 5. Okay, then afterwards is equals to s. So only one term is that x cube, that is minus 2x cube. Then plus 5x square. Next is only 3x plus 2x. So both also same sign x. Then you have to do addition. That is 3 plus 2 is 5x. Then plus and minus both also constants are having different signs. Then we have to be subtract. That is 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, that is a plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2 because of bigger sign value, bigger number sign value becomes is plus. So that is plus 2. Okay, so this much is a bigger than that first one now. As going for the second problem, what is it is simplify 58 square minus 42 square by 16. Okay, so we have to be simplify. Yes, while simplifying that 58 square minus 42 square by 16. Yes, while observing here is in the numerator it is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, so according to that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this is our third identity now. Yes, so based on that, 58 plus 42 into 58 minus 42. Yes, numerator is completed now. Then denominator divided by 16. Yes, so it's equals to 58 plus 42. Then how much you should be get? 100 into 58 minus 42. Yes, so that is 16 we should be get divided by 16. Yes, so then 16 will become a cancel now. Then how much we are getting the student? 100. Yes, so 100 is the solution of this problem. Do you actually understand now? Then we are going for the third one. Yes, so this is one of the applicable of the higher level thinking. Yes, so what I given that is if x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 25. Yes, then what you want to find that is find the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, Find the value of x plus 1 by x. Yes. So now by observing that what the values given here is a square plus b square is there. Yes or no? It is in the form of a square plus b square now. A square plus b square in which identity is there? In first identity also is there and in the second identity also is there. What is the first identity? A plus b whole square is. Yes. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so in that is a square is there and b square also is there. And second identity what we are having that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. There also we are having that a square is there and b square is there. But what you want to find that is x plus 1 by x means it is in the form of a plus b. Yes or no children? A plus b only that is. Okay, not a minus b. Means is a plus b is there means is a plus b whole square you have to be apply that is. If it is in the form of that a minus b means is a minus b whole square you have to be apply that is. Okay, so now we have to be apply the first identity now, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so based on that only we have to be apply that. Solution is what is given, that is x plus x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 25. Yes, now we are finding that yes, that is x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to yes, x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to, that is x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. Okay, how do I expand that is? It is in the form of that a plus b whole square. So that's why it is written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Based on this identity, we written as a x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus 2x into 1 by x. Okay, because of a value will becomes x and b value will becomes 1 by x. Okay, so then we apply like this now. Yes, so that is x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus x and x is a cancel now. Yes, then what we are having the remaining is 2 ones and 2 plus 1 square is 1 by x square. Okay, so then x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, I written as a x square and 1 by x square is a 1 place because of we know the value of x square plus 1 by x square values. Yes or no children? So that's why I am writing as a 1 place now. Okay, plus 2 written that is. After is x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 1 x square plus 1 by x square value. How much we are having that? 25. That is 25 plus 2 is equals to 27. Then we require as a x plus 1 by x value only. Yes or no children? Then x plus 1 by x is equals to square, if it descends side will becomes is square root. Okay, so that is under root 27. Yes, so this is a solution of the given problem. Yes, we got the value of x plus 1 by x only now. If it is given as a x minus 1 by x, if it is given as a x minus 1 by x means is we have to be apply as a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square which will be given. Okay, it is also one of the problem is a you have to be applying that is. And we are going to solve the fourth problem now. What I have children, we are going to solve the fourth problem now. What I have that is evaluate 103 whole square next. Second one is 99 square and third one is 78 into 82. Okay, so first one while observing that 103 square means is in the lower class what we done that is 103 into 103 we multiplied 103 whole square value we got it that is. But by using identities we have to be applied that. Okay, so what is the identity based on the which one you should get? We have to be check that now. That is 103 square means is 103 will become is I will write it as a 100 plus 3 whole square. Okay, so 100 plus 3 will become is 103 only no? 103 plus whole square. Sir, why do you want to Z 100 plus 3 only? 101 plus 2 I will be writing. Also you will be get as some of the thing, some members is. Okay, but why do you want to be writing that means is 100 plus 3 will become the 100 square is easily will be get that is value. You know that 100 value 100 square is easily that is. Okay, so that's why it should be written as a 100 plus 3. Okay, so now by observing that in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so based on that 100 plus 3 whole square is equals to 100 square plus 2 into 100 into b value 3 plus 3 square. Okay, so then after is 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 100 is 200, 200 into 3 will become 600 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, so then is equals to 10,000 plus 600 is 10,600 plus 9 means is 10,609. Okay, so while multiplying the 103 into 103 also you will get as a 10,609 only. By applying that identity also you are getting as a 10,609 only. Okay, so this is a one of the application on this numbers by using the identity. Okay, did you understand now? Then we are going for the second one. What is the second one is? 99 square. Okay, so 99 also we should be writing as a 100 minus 1 whole square. Okay, 100 minus 1 is 99 only, no? Yes, so that is 100 minus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Yes, so then a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so based on that 100 minus 1 whole square is equals to a value will become 100, b value will become 1. Okay, so based on that 100 square minus 2 into 100 into b values how much we are having now? 1 plus 1 square. Then is equals to 100 square will become 10,000 minus 2 into 100 is 200 plus 1. Okay, so then is equals to 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800 plus 1. 9,801. Okay, so this is the solution of the 99 square. Okay, now we should apply the third one. What is the third one is 78 into 82. Okay, so I will write it as a 78 into 82 will become as a 78 into 82 will become 78 is 80 minus 2 into 82 will become 80 plus 2. Okay, so now while observing this one is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b will become what is to get a square minus b square. Okay, I write as identity also. A minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. That is 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2 is equals to 80 square minus 2 square. 80 square is 6,400 minus 4. Then how much are getting it is 6,400 minus 4 will become 6,396. Okay, so that is a solution of the given problem. Dear children, understand no? Dear children, what we discussed in the class. Okay, once you have to be revised it based on that our identities only we completed this one is, and what we are giving the homeworks you have to be completed. Regarding this, if you are having any doubts, you have to be contact to me. After completion of your CW and HW, must you have to be forward to me.